I make a 2048 by 2048 document. I import the image I'm using into Affinity Photo, but this can be done in any photo editing software. I then export the image as a PNG. I'll be making a displacement map using Normal Map Online. This can be done in any other software that produces a displacement map or a height map. I'll just use the defaults and export the displacement map as a PNG. I have a UV sphere with a subdivision with 6 levels. In the sculpting workspace, I choose the draw brush. I add a new texture and open my displacement map. I change the stroke to anchored and lower the strength. I can now drag my brush over the surface. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video about making a Sculpting Alpha, you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.